We're going to take a look now if you have a client that wants to see what homes have been put on price reductions. We're going to show you in Lofty how you can get that great list. This would be good for investors, people like that who want to deal, people who are looking for homes that aren't selling, so they're reducing the price, or if you have a buyer that wants to just put an address or an offer on a good property with addresses that have price reductions, it gives you all that data. So again, I'm in Lofty. I go to marketing at the top, and then the bottom left, I'm going to scroll down under tools. I'm going to expand that dashboard and go to landing pages. Now, once it loads up, you can see it's not one of these basic landing pages. So at the top, I have to go here, add a new landing page. I'm going to click that to open it up. And then you see right here, price reductions. So I'm going to select template. I'm going to name it, PR1, price reduction 1. No one sees it but you. And there you can call it, price reductions. Whatever you want to call it, very simple. So I have it named here. They match. The lead source, of course, it pulls from your MLS, from the website. And then I hit save. Going to open up. Very simple as before. It shows you the price reductions where you are, not a problem. Here they are, showing all these price reductions. If you don't have the blue publish button yet, like I do, because I already was playing with this earlier, you can click on these 3 buttons and you can add them in. Again, the settings is the only thing you want to mess with. And then you do page tracking. You put your Google Analytics and your Facebook Pixel ID if you have one. And that's where you'd put that in there, have it tracking. And then shows like here, all these homes have had price reductions and they're ready to go to look at. And there's quite a few of them. And then you can change by price everything once they get into it. So once you have it and it looks good and you make it look good to where you want to go, you want to hit publish. It's going to load up and you're going to post to social, just like we've been doing before in the other videos. Because again, I want this link, this blue link here, this direct link is mine. That's what I want. So I'm going to go here. I'm just going to show you how to use it again. I just throw it on Facebook to keep it simple, but you can put it anywhere you want. Drop it right there, go down the price reduction, highlight the whole thing once it gives you a preview, and delete it. So then I'm going to say something, you're looking for homes with price reductions, check out the full list of homes that had price reductions lately in the last week or two. And you can say anything like that to kind of pull it in, and then you would post it, and then you would share it out there to your social media. I'm just showing you Facebook. You can put this on your Google My Business. You can put this anywhere else. If you're doing Google My Business, you would go to your Google My Business. I just happen to have it open. You'd hit Add Update, and then you put it right here. And then you could do a photo of a pretty house, do the same message where it says none. You'd hit Learn More, and then you would paste the link like right there's the link. And I would delete that like that. And then there it is. Boom. Price reduction is ready to go. You can do anything like that. Have fun. Find different ways to post it, different places to get it out there, and then have that link out here. Now that link is now embedded in my picture. So if I click yes and I open up that link and it goes here, I'm going to show you what it looks like. You always, again, like or love your post and leave a little comment. Like, awesome homes, ready to go, anything simple. And then I'm going to click on that picture just to show you what the link would look like. And here it is. All these homes, and if they have an open house, it shows me when they have the open house. A lot of these are doing open houses because the prices are being reduced. And then I can see all of them ready to go. And there's 156 pages. There's been a lot of price reduction lately, guys, as you can see that. And then I can search for ones I want and what type of homes. Very simple way to do it. Very easy to get them in your Lofty. So right now you have that link ready to go again. If you ever want to use it again, it's ready, it's built, it's all there. Take advantage of that. Price reductions, people like to see the list of homes that are reduced in price. It lets them get an idea of who's more motivated maybe to sell. Gives you an opportunity that way to knock some stuff out. Hope that helps. Talk to you soon.